And right here is where my big back ass got 2 meals. That bowl of chicken is 32 grams of protein. And that burrito, 64 grams of protein. You gotta give it a little spank before you take a bite into it. Ow! Bite that thing. Yum, 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 yum. It was pretty good, though, I'm not gonna lie. Ow! Another bite into that thing. Yum, 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 yum. While I watch how a rotatory engine works. Ow! Another bite. Yum, 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 yum.
Bye-bye.